What's up, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the FX trading. So in today's episode, guys, I'm going to be explaining to you the 3 top secrets on how you can be able to scalp up well in the forex market and be able to make money. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video, guys. Let's get started with this video. So guys, as long as you can be able to make money through scalping, it's the same way you can lose it. Scalping is a double-edged sword. That's one thing you should always keep to yourself, guys. Whenever you're scalping, it's a double-edged sword. You can make money, it's the same way you make it, the same way you can lose it. Just like leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword. So guys, what makes scalping a good thing is because you can make like really quick money in a short period of time, as long as you're following the right procedure. So the first procedure, when is the best time to scalp in the market? So the best time to scalp in the market is the first 2 hours of the every market session. So let's talk about the London session. Whenever the London session is opening up, so let's say when it's opening up Ugandan time, that is 10 a.m. in the morning. So whenever that market opens up, it's going to give us a big move to the downside or to the upper side. As I'm going to be showing you right here, you will see whenever the market opens, I'm going to be showing you the London session and the New York session. So whenever the London session opens in the market, it has that big candlestick that, you know, opens up in the market. And then also the New York session, whenever it opens up, it has that long candlestick that drops. So it depends on your analysis, you know, guys. It depends on whatever your analysis you have had, but I've backtested this market and I've seen it very many times. Whenever the market opens, whenever a new session market, either Japanese session, let's say Tokyo session, London session, Sydney session, whenever any of these markets is opening up, it opens up with high volatility in the market. And the reason for that is because whenever a new market session opens up in the market, it's going to open up, and whatever is happening into that country or that continent. So let's talk about the United States. So whatever happens in the US, whatever news or economic events, let's say CPI and everything, when this market opens up, we are going to see the volatility in that market. So we always want to feed off the volatility when we are trading or whenever we are scalping in the market. And one of the best ways is by trading whenever market opens, guys. So take notice of that. The second point, guys, or the second secret that all my years of trading, guys, I've learned that, okay, if I'm applying this proper thing, I'm going to be able to trade in the market, guys. Avoid choppy markets. Avoid choppy markets, guys. Never trade in choppy markets. Because the moment you trade in choppy markets or the moment you scalp in choppy markets are markets that are ranging in a fixed zone. You know, they're just moving there. So meaning you're just going to be in a profit loss. So market is not going to give you, you know, that volatility that you want. So, and when do we find choppy markets? We find choppy markets mostly when we have, let's say, holidays, you know. Whenever countries are having holidays, let's say China Day, you know, let's say 4th of July, markets are very slow. So avoid these days whenever you're trading, or avoid what we call choppy markets. And always wait for the breakout after the choppy market. So most of the times, guys, we have, whenever I have a choppy market, we're going to have a breakout, like a strong breakout with big candles. So always try to use technical analysis and see where will the price go next, so that you can scalp up and be able to make money, guys. So don't trade in the choppy markets. That is another secret, guys. One more secret, guys. This is going to keep you away from making losses. Whenever you scalp in the market, guys, and you have made profits, don't go back into the market. You know, whenever we are scalping in the market, you shouldn't scalp with emotions, guys. So what I'm trying to mean is, whenever you make money, you scalp up. When you feel you have made enough, go out of the market. Because in scalping, we're not going to just look at money. We are looking at the percentage change in our account. So if I had $100 and I've been scalping the market and I've made at least 2 or 3% of my account, I'm going to stay away from the market. So meaning I'm not going to be looking at the account as how much I've made on the account, but I want to see the percentage change. So by doing so, it's going to help me out to stay away from the market than someone who's going to be looking at money. Because the more you look at money, guys, you've made 100. So money is going to take away all your senses, you know, that it's going to keep you in the market. And guys, as I told you, whenever we are scalping in the market, it's a double-edged sword. So the time they catch you from the market, most of the traders blow up their account just because they've been caught there, you know. So whenever you make money in the market, you have been scalping, let's say you have taken 3 trades, scalp, that's enough. Always remember when to say no. Always remember, guys, when to exit the market. Don't let the market exit for you. And you know, most of the cases, guys, the way market exists for you, it blows up your account. So whenever we are scalping, let's remember when to exit the market, or let's remember when to say no. Okay, this is enough for the day. Let's keep it, let's call it a day, and then maybe come back next time and trade. My other secret, guys, before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's continue. So my other secret is whenever you're scalping, guys, I want us to look at mostly the smaller time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So the reason why we have to trade on the smaller time frames, because there is too much movement or too much noise on the smaller time frame. So there is much volatility on the smaller time frames, or there is too much movement. As every retail trader is that's why they are trading. So guys, whenever you're trading or scalping the market, don't scalp on the 4-hour time frame, don't scalp on the 1 hour time frame or the daily time frame. Always look for the smaller time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, as they can be. Too much noise and volatility on that smaller time frame, guys. So my last secret, guys, that I want you to always keep notice of, whenever you're scalping in the market, guys, avoid pairs or avoid currency pairs that have big spreads. Avoid that, because the moment you are trading currency pairs that have big spreads, guys, you're not going to be able to make like really much money. Because remember, a spread is a transaction cost taken by the broker or charged by the broker to you for every transaction you make, or for every trade you place on your chart. The broker has to take a certain percentage from you. So if you're trading pairs that have like a really big spread, the broker is really going to take a big spread from you, or a big amount of money, because remember, a spread is a transaction cost, guys. So one of the best ways to trade currencies that have small spreads is, first of all, trading with the right broker. So the broker I use is XNES. If you want to get the XNES account, guys, sign up with my link in bio. Sign up and then trade only major pairs. I'll give you some of my pairs I trade. Major pairs are all pairs paired up with the dollar. Let's say Euro GBP, let's say Euro USD, GBP USD, NZ USD. All those are major pairs, so you can scalp those. You can also even scalp gold, as long as, guys, you have a proper plan. So guys, I hope those are the secrets. I hope you note all the secrets whenever you're scalping and make sure to use them. So before we go any further, guys, I want to also explain to you what state of mind should you be in when you're scalping. So one of the best state of minds to be in is by having no emotions in the market. By having no emotions is, guys, always go in and go for what you went for and then come out. Don't go in. When you're scalping in the market, guys, when you make profits, close your profits. Because most of the times people don't choose take profits, they don't choose a stop loss when scalping. So meaning they're just going in and then waiting for that explosive, move to the upside or the downside, and they take out their profits. So don't stay in there for a long time. As I've seen most of the traders, when they go into profits, they will close very fast, which is a good thing since you are scalping. But again, when they go into losses, guys, they tend to hold their losses longer, so they start swinging. You see, you went into forex, you went into the market to scalp, and then you're staying in there. Yes, you're swinging your losses, you're waiting for your loss to recover, guys. Those are the emotions you should avoid whenever you're trading or scalping in the market, guys. For you to have a great and a successful scalping strategy, because remember, scalping is a strategy. As I told you at the start, always have no emotions, guys, and don't revenge trade. Most of the people, when they start scalping, they make small money. Again, there is that trade where they'll place and then it goes to losses. So when they want to recover that, they'll place the same trade but with a huge lot size, guys, so they can revenge trade. Me myself, guys, I've done that a lot of times and I lost so much money on the way. So I'm talking from experience. Do what I've told you and then you'll be able to be successful while trading or scalping in the market, guys. And remember, remember when to exit. Don't let the market exit for you, because if it market exits for you, that means your account is blown, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and guys, join our Telegram community, join our family, guys. Let's grow together. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.